Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, Pickling and Unpickling in Python. Introduction. In Python, pickling is the process of serializing objects into a byte stream, and unpickling is the process of deserializing those byte streams back into objects. This allows you to save Python objects to a file or send them over a network, among other use cases. Pickling is particularly useful for saving the state of an object or transferring data between different Python programs. Using Pickle module. Python provides a built-in module called pickle for pickling and unpickling objects. Here's how you can use it. 1. Pickling. To pickle an object, you need to follow these steps. In this example, we have created a dictionary data and pickled it to a file named data.pkl. 2. Unpickling. To unpickle an object, follow these steps. Here, we open the pickled file data.pkl in binary read mode and load its contents back into loaded_data. 3. Pickling and unpickling custom objects. You can also pickle and unpickle custom objects. However, for this to work, the class definition must be accessible when unpickling. Here's an example. In this example, we define a custom class person, create an object person of that class, pickle it to a file, and then unpickle it back into loaded_person. Conclusion. Pickling and unpickling in Python using the pickle module provide a convenient way to serialize and deserialize Python objects. This allows you to save the state of objects, transfer data between different Python programs, and more. However, it's important to note that pickled files may not be human readable and should be used with caution, especially when dealing with untrusted sources. ChatGPT.